Welcome to INEHub, your ultimate destination for trading insights, tips, and strategies. Today, we're answering a burning question. What is the best trading broker in 2025? If you're currently using Pocket Option, you're in the right place, because we're about to break down why Pocket Option might just be the perfect fit for your trading journey in 2025. Plus, stick around till the end for an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. Let's dive into what makes Pocket Option stand out in 2025. We'll explore 5 key features: social trading, AI tools, deposit bonuses, security, and why Pocket Option is a top choice for traders worldwide. Ready? Let's go! First up, social trading. Imagine being able to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors in real time. That's exactly what Pocket Option's social trading feature offers. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to diversify your strategy, social trading allows you to learn from the best and replicate their success. It's like having a mentor guiding your every move. Next, let's talk about AI tools. In 2025, trading is all about staying ahead of the curve, and Pocket Option's AI-powered tools are here to help. From predictive analytics to automated trading bots, these features give you a competitive edge. The AI analyzes market trends, identifies opportunities, and even executes trades for you, saving you time and maximizing your profits. Who doesn't love a good bonus? Pocket Option offers deposit bonuses that boost your trading capital from the get-go. Whether you're making your first deposit or topping up your account, these bonuses give you extra funds to trade with. It's like getting free money to grow your portfolio. What's not to love? Now let's address the elephant in the room: security. In 2025, cyber threats are more sophisticated than ever, and Pocket Option takes your security seriously. With advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and strict regulatory compliance, your funds and personal information are safe and secure. Trade with peace of mind, knowing you're protected every step of the way. So, why is Pocket Option one of the best brokers in 2025? It's simple. They combine cutting-edge technology, user-friendly features, and unbeatable security to create a platform that works for traders of all levels. Whether you're into Forex, crypto, stocks, or commodities, Pocket Option has you covered. Here's the best part. You can get started today and unlock exclusive benefits by registering through our Pocket Option affiliate link. Not only will you get access to all these amazing features, but you'll also be supporting the INEHub channel. It's a win-win. And that's not all. As a special bonus, you can get free Pocket Option signals directly from the INEHub website. These signals are designed to help you make smarter, more informed trades without spending a dime. Just head over to our website and start using these signals to elevate your trading game. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to register with Pocket Option through our affiliate link. And don't forget to grab your free signals on the INEHub website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching INEHub, where we turn market trends into your financial gains. Until next time, happy trading!